Hi everyone, the topic for today is income from Centrelink. So I have mentioned a very popular income the most common income from Centrelink which people receive. So whether you have to pay tax on that, whether you have to declare it or not, so I have just made few points. There is one type of income which comes at level 5. The type is new start allowance or study sickness allowance. So these kinds of income are taxable at level 5, just taxed at the normal tax rates. So you have to declare that income in your tax return at level 5. Now there is one more income which comes at level 6. You get a pension offset for that. Those type of income is parenting payment single, age pension and some other income which has to be declared at level 6, but you get some offset for that, but you have to declare it. Okay, next thing is a tax free government pension. Tax free government pension is not taxable, but you still have to declare it at IT3 level of the tax return. The fourth type is very interesting. It is you don't have to declare it in your tax return. So the Centrelink pays you money that is totally tax free. You do not have to declare these income in your tax return. What kind of income is that? The most popular is family tax benefit, which most of the family receives who are at low income. So that income, family tax benefit, is non-taxable. You don't declare it. Similarly, if you are receiving any child care benefit from Centrelink, that is also not that also you don't have to declare it. Then there is some you might receive some energy supplement or some rental assistance from Centrelink. So those two payments are also non-taxable and you don't have to declare it in your tax return. Thanks for watching.